Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video I'm going to show you how to bake this orange and coconut cake. Start off by preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Add some orange zest to a bowl of sugar, oil and butter. Whisk this together until creamy. Add in the eggs one at a time and whisk well between each egg added. Add in the flour and yogurt, orange juice and desiccated coconut and mix. Put the mixture into a prepared baking tray. Spread it out and then bake it in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes until slightly golden brown on top. Test with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, it's ready. Leave it in the tin for about 10 minutes and then flip it onto a cooling rack. Peel off the paper and leave to cool completely. You can dust some icing sugar on top or add some orange glacé icing like I did here. Click on the link above to see how to make glacé icing and just add orange zest to it and leave it to set. I'm going to cut a slice and show you what it looks like. Nice, fluffy, baked through, and it tastes amazing. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.